What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Yes, I haven't posted in months. I don't need to hear about it. Sometimes I just need a break from this shit. So hopefully you guys are still rocking with me at least a little bit. But today's video is another face shave on a woman. Now this woman in today's video is the same woman from the super viral 26 million view video 3 years ago. And I really haven't, that was the only time I've ever shaved her face. So 3 years later, you guys will see the amount of hair that's grown back or not at all. So yeah, man, hope you guys enjoy. Leave a like if you do, subscribe if you're new. Let's get into it. All right, y'all, first things first, we're gonna start out with the pre-shave treatment. This is where we clean and prepare the skin for the actual shave. We're gonna use some micellar water to kind of remove any underlying makeup, dirt, grease that might get in the way of the actual shave. Then we're gonna apply some Easy Blade shaving gel to kind of soften up any hair that might be on the face, add lubrication, allow that razor to glide easier. You guys can find this and many more products like this for your shaving needs at ezbladshavingproducts.com. I do have a promo code eJonesTV at checkout. You'll get 10% off your whole purchase. They have straight razors, straight blades, shaving gel, shaving cream, literally everything under the sun. I'd be here for 10 minutes to name every product they have. So go check it out. Link will be down in the description. So as you guys can see, 3 years ago, she did have a healthy amount of hair on her face. I think that's why the video went so viral, because I've never seen anything like this on YouTube where a lot of hair is coming off the face. But if you compare that to now, I literally have not seen this girl in 3 years since the last shave. And there's literally zero to no hair on her face. Now she did tell me she keeps up with her shaving or micro needling, microdermablation. I don't know the terms, but she gets some stuff done to her face. But she said shaving her face, she's never really grown back the same amount of hair as once before. And I've been trying to tell you guys that each person that has came back to me for a shave, either their hair is a lot lighter or it's very non-existent. And I don't know why that is. A lot of people just have baby hair stuck on their face, I think. But you would not grow a beard from shaving your face. So if you guys are looking to shave your face or anyone else's face, please be careful. Keep that razor at a flat angle, especially with the straight razor. It is easy to slice somebody open. It is extremely sharp, but it can be extremely safe if you know what you're doing. So as you guys can see, I'm pulling the skin away from the razor with my opposite hand, allowing that skin to get tightened and allowing that razor to glide a lot easier. That's all you want. You want to clean glide on the razor. That's how you prevent cuts, burns, razor bumps, all that good stuff. So just be careful, go slow, and it's completely safe. And once again, you guys can see the difference between the 3 years that I've shaven this face. I just want to stress the fact that you're not going to grow any amount of extra hair because you shaved your face. And if that was the case, a lot of these men would be out here just shaving their face, hoping to grow a beard back. And that's just a myth. And it's the same for women. There's way more benefits to reap from this procedure rather than just to be scared of it just because somebody said something in a YouTube comment. So try it out for yourself. I promise you that the results will be amazing for sure. Now moving on to the post-shave treatment where we clean, moisturize, and protect the skin going forward. We're gonna use some Easy Blade aftershave spray to kind of soothe the skin, relieve the skin of any redness or irritation. The products you guys are about to see are a Korean skincare brand. I kind of wanted to switch it up and try Korean skincare because that's like a big thing in the industry. Now we're just going to use a toner. This is to soften and refresh the skin, but I kind of used it to wipe off any extra shaving gel, hair, or dead skin that might have been laying on the face. But it's used to soften and refresh the skin. The next step in this kit that I bought is the facial lotion. This is used to kind of build up proper hydration. It's kind of like a layer of moisturization used to soften up the skin. This kit did come with a toner, a lotion, and a moisturizer, but I don't really see the hype behind Korean skincare products. It's a lot more chemically strong than I would like. I like a more light, organic, natural feel to my products, especially on the face. But for the video, I did want to try it out, and the kit did come with 3 bottles and 2 travel size bottles. So if you guys are interested in that, go check it out. Even with that being said about the Korean skincare products, her skin is looking amazing afterwards. Obviously a fresh shave will do that, but the products did what they're supposed to do as well. So hopefully you guys did enjoy. Leave a like if you did, subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.